Hey everyone, I'm Ayush, and today I'm super excited to show you something we have built. It's called Dummydb, an AI powered data assistant that lets anyone, even non technical users, to talk with their database using your natural language. Imagine asking a question like, who is the top my customer list last month? And instead of writing a single line in SQL or Mongo queries, use just DummyDB that will give you the answer. Behind the scenes, it figures out the correct database. PostgreSQL or MongoDB generates the right query, runs it, shows you the result in the real time. We have built it with Next.js, TailwindCSS, shadcn-ui, and integrated Google Gemini's API because Anthropics is costly. When you ask a question, you send it along with your database schema to the Gemini. Gemini replies it with JSON output and tells us which database to use, Postgres or Mongo, what the actual query is, SQL or JSON based, and why we choose that path. So our backend is smart router that looks the Gemini response and send the query to the right database. So if you are asking about the product sales, it might go to Postgres, and document based data, so it will go to MongoDB. And all this happens seamlessly. This user never has to worry about the under the hood, that how this process is working. So it's perfect for the product managers who can't quick insights who want to get quick insights, business analysts who want to get who don't want to bother their engineers, and startup who needs lightweight AI first business intelligence tool. So because everything is designed for speed, response are almost instant. And with DummyDB, querying data is as easy as chatting with ChatGPT. No SQL, no syntax error, just fast, reliable answers. So yeah, that's it, DummyDB. So when AI meets the database, it is DummyDB. If you liked it, feel free to share and reach out and try the demo. In the demo, we have only showed the SQL part because handling the SQL queries is the most upper one. Okay. So that's all from my side. I'm Ayush, and this is the